In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Facebook account on Facebook just in few seconds. So this will be quick tutorial step by step. So let's get started. So what you need to do is you just need to go to your Facebook homepage on your laptop like this, okay? And you're going to click over here on account, okay? You should see over here account, click over here on this icon and click on setting and privacy like this. Then click again on setting. You will be directly in this page over here as you can see, okay? So what you need to do next, click over here on privacy. Okay, so click on privacy, you will be in this page again. What you need to do next, click on your Facebook information like this, and you will be in this page. Scroll down like this. So just scroll down, you should see over here deactivation and deletion, okay? Click over here on view like this. You will be directly in this final page. As you can see, deactivate your account. So choose deactivate account, then click over here on continue to account deactivation. That's how you can, and then you will just confirm that you want to deactivate your account on Facebook and your account will be deactivated, okay? That's how you can deactivate your account on Facebook from your laptop. Thank you so much for watching guys. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Just leave a like, leave a comment. See you in my next video.